Hi guys, my name is Tanish.kohn and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing things different and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on my journey. If you did watch my old videos, you guys know that I make bows and all types of children's hair accessories and I sell them on Etsy. I make headbands like this. Here's some of my other bows, like little snap clips. So I did have an older video. My baby's right here watching videos and eating, so that's the noise in the background. But yeah, my old video, I kind of took you guys along with me when I was taking the leap into, starting my Etsy and making hair accessories. It's been about 6 months now and I have gained a lot of skill in that area and I wanted to take my business to the next level. Today's video is going to be all about how I am investing our stimulus check into my business. So I bought some new things that I want to share with you. So this is a haul video / unboxing. But how cute are these though? How cute? How cute are these? Like, I get a lot of joy out of making hair accessories, and honestly, I feel like my skill level did improve a lot. I have really nice hair accessories, but they're just not selling the way that I want them to sell. It could be my fault as well too, because I don't market probably as hard as I need to market, but I want to get something in my shop that will earn a bit more revenue. I'm going to be adding other baby items like blankets and bibs and maybe rompers and dresses and stuff like that. Let's get into this haul for my small business. So here are some of the things that I picked up. Everything, in my opinion, was a little costly. I already have a sewing machine. Let me turn this. Here's my baby. Here's the area where I'm sewing at right now. We have an office coming and it can't come soon enough. We have to order furniture and kind of redecorate. My stepdaughter had left, so we were turning that into an office, but she's returning. So I don't know if we're still gonna turn that into an office at the moment. I still may need to work out of the living room. We have not worked out the logistics yet, as of yet. But anyhow, here is the machine that I am currently using. It's the Brother SE600. SE stands for sewing and embroidery, so it does both. And I am upgrading to the SE 1900. So I'll probably be selling my SE 600 because I don't need two machines. Okay, so I have already been embroidering small things, but I want to embroider bigger things. Here's kind of like how I've been practicing, just like on just cut up t-shirts. And this right here says Kennedy's walking, because my baby just started walking. But oh, it turned out so nice. Here's another one. I was playing around with thread, using that multicolored thread, which I didn't really like it on this, but that's so pretty. So anyhow, I want to take my embroidery skills to the next level, so I invested in myself. This light is killing me. Hold on. We invested a good chunk of our stimulus check into the business. I kind of had to fight for it. My husband was not too thrilled about it. You guys have to understand, before I started staying home with my children, I was teaching and I had a good, chunk of income coming in. And when you go from, having a good chunk of income to not bringing in any income and always having to consult with your husband about what you're spending. Not to say that I didn't do it before, but I did, but I didn't get as much pushback, for things. I want to be able to provide for the family as well as invest in myself. So I ordered things for embroidery. So the first thing, you need software to embroider. I did order, and everything will be linked below because I did get everything from Amazon. I did get the Embroidering Essential software, and you can merge applique designs together and you can kind of edit them. It's not the Stitch Artist version to where you can create them, but you can edit. Now, maybe eventually, if I do well in this business and am successful, I will start making my own designs. But for right now, I'm just buying them and editing them using the software. And this software changes it into a file in which I can transfer the data to my sewing machine. I did get a Cricut. Now, the mini Cricut is for the embroidery on my bows. I have embroidered on some bows, but I was thinking that I can do the iron on as well. And I did get a good deal on this. Oh, some of this stuff I got off of Amazon Warehouse Deals. And if you guys don't know what Amazon Warehouse Deals is, it's where you can get the item that's used. And usually it's just an open box, or it could be some type of structural or body damage to the item that you're ordering. It just depends, but they usually tell you. So I only paid like $32 for this, and it's probably around $50. I think it was just like a customer return. Now, so this right here was also on Amazon Warehouse Deals, and what I do to save money is I will put an item in my cart and kind of check back periodically to see if they have one that is used or that's an open box. So I did get this from Amazon Warehouse Deals as well, and this is $189, but I think I got it for $150, I want to say. So I saved about 50 bucks on the Cricut. I also want to make shirts because I do have a Cricut Explorer 2. I believe that's what it's called. I've used it before, but I have not really put it to use, so I have not got my money's worth out of that machine. So I am going to kind of make a few shirts and onesies as well, and I'm going to use this as my heat press. I was unsure if I wanted to get the industrial version or not, and that's the one with the handle at the top that you just you know, kind of push down, but I ended up going with this because it was a really good deal. This right here is the tearaway. I do have tearaway and cutaway embroidery paper, so hopefully I'll like this one. I have only been using the cutaway so far, but hopefully I'll like the tearaway as well. Just rulers to measure my shirts so that I can be able to correctly center the designs. I got a couple shirts to practice on. I've only been practicing now. I don't have anything for sale, but probably later on tonight I'm gonna make my first baby blanket, and I'm feeling pretty confident. So hopefully everything turns out really well, but I'm really excited and I'm feeling confident. And you guys, I think I can really do this, and I'm really creative and I like doing stuff like this. So I think that I can be really successful at it. Just like with the bows, like I feel like I'm really good at it, but I'm not getting the recognition that, you know, I should be getting. And I can take partial credit for that because I'm not marketing myself the way that I need to market. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna use my YouTube platform to further expand my business. Got some elastic. I have heat and bond for the shirts because you're gonna have to bond it on there. I have some seam rippers. I got some larger bobby pins. A lot of the sewing things I already had. I have some fray check just in case anything loosens up a bit. I have my iron-on paper, transfer paper that I'm gonna put on these shirts. I'm gonna make me and my husband a matching shirt for his business. I have adhesive that I'm gonna use on the minky blankets that I'm going to make. I have, hold on mama. I have some stabilizer. I have a heat press mat for the Cricut right here. Oh, hold on guys. I don't even remember what this is. Oh, these are shipping labels. I thought that I ordered a pack of 2. So I did order the thermal printer for the shipping labels because printing out shipping labels and then cutting them is just, it's a hassle. These are embroidery hoops in multiple sizes. Let's see what's in this box. And everything, you know, did total a lot of money. I mean, a pretty penny. And like I said, you don't have to go my route. You could just slowly get things as you get the funds. But like I said, I really push to invest our stimulus money into myself. And I just feel like, I deserved it, guys. Like, I'm home with these kids and, you know, I'm raising these kids, and I feel like I've given up so much to raise my kids. And I was like, I told my husband, I was like, no, it's time to invest back into me. I need to do something that makes me happy other than being a wife and a mother. I don't know that he understands, but he got the intensity, I guess, that I expressed. Intensity is the wrong word, but he kind of understood it the way that I explained it to him. He knows that I need something like outside of being a wife and a mother for my sanity. This is the thermal label printer that I have, that I got. Oh, and this was on Amazon warehouse. No, it was, so if you're a Prime member, they have these clip and save things. And I saved like $15 or $20 because I paid $145 for this, and it's usually $175. This right here. I hope that I love this machine as much as I love my SC600. Like, I really love that machine, and I hope that I make some money so that I won't have to sell it, so that I can just use it probably for sewing, and just use this strictly for embroidery. And I won't have to keep switching the needle, you know, the machinery back and forth from sewing to embroidery. I'm so happy to have this machine. I got this off of Amazon warehouse deals as well. So this machine, it probably costs about $1,000 or more. That's usually they run $1,000. I got it on Amazon warehouse deals for, I believe it was $860. It was an open box. So they just repackaged it, like taped it back up and sent it out to me. You can even see the sticker when you buy something from Amazon warehouse deals. It says, thanks to you, this product has a second life. I really like shopping on Amazon that way because you save money. Who doesn't like to save money, guys? So right out the box, you have the manual, the warranty, and all of the instructions, the DVDs. This looks like the actual machine, the power outlet. I don't know what's in this case right here. So this is the actual machine. Let's see what's in this box. Right off the bat, pulling this out of the box, I noticed that it's way heavier than my other machine. All right, let me move this over a bit and show you guys what's in this box. Whoa. Okay. Everything just like fell from right here. But it's the hoop. This is a 5x7 presser foot. I don't know what this is. Ooh, I have some embroidery thread. The bobbin casing. Oh, okay. So this is the embroidery piece for the sewing machine. So it looks like right now it's set up to sew. I am going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I just wanted to show you guys how I decided to invest in myself and try to take my business to the next level. In my next video, which I'm actually going to record tonight, is going to be of me embroidering this baby blanket. My best friend just had a little grandson. So my mom's visiting, so I'm gonna send this blanket back with her to give to him. So I'm going to use this Minky fabric. this nursery flannel, and I'm going to go to Etsy and buy an applique design, and it'll probably be a lion or something, and I'm going to embroider the lion with this fabric. So be sure to check out that video. It will be my first time, but like I said, I'm pretty confident. I'm nervous, but I believe in myself, and I know that I can do this and that I can create really beautiful pieces. I understand there'll be mistakes, but I'm feeling really good, and I'm in a really good place because I was able to invest in myself. So I'm very thankful for the stimulus check that we did receive, that enabled and allowed me to be able to do this, because without it, this wasn't possible. So please, you guys, follow me along on this journey. I understand that I do have a natural hair channel and that I'll probably lose a lot of followers, but I'm excited about the new followers that will come. Just follow me along on this journey. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.